allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
Kelly Ugochukwu Ikenna, and this is DIY with Lackels. I'm so happy to reconnect with you. Yes, this is Reintroducing DIY with Lackels. First off, I would love to apologize for my absence without prior information. It wasn't intentional, and in between the year of this absence, a lot has happened. The good, the bad, which I will still tell you, but I won't be boring you with that for now. But I'm going to be giving you some of the good news, which is your girl is now married. So, reintroduction. I am now Kelly Ikenna, a physiotherapist by profession and an entrepreneur. And in this channel, DIY with Lackels, I'm about teaching you how to do it yourself. Yes, do it yourself in the most simplest way you can think of. So here we're going to be learning the tricks to get our works done in the most simplest and fastest ways. Things like hair, fashion design, food, makeup, confectionaries, and a lot more. Yes, somehow I have the grace to do a lot of things and do them excellently well. And yes, you can leave in the comment section the things you would want to learn. Trust me, I will go and sort to do them and come and teach you the simplest way to do it, because I will try it out if I do not know it and then teach you how to do it the simplest way. And that is what we are here to learn to do. So, you would love to click on the subscribe button if you have not already. If you have, thank you so much. You are my real MVP. Yes. So click on the subscribe button because you'll be doing yourself a great deal. Trust me, you won't regret it. And click on the notification bell so that each time I put out any content, you're going to be the first to see it. That being said, I am so glad that you are seeing this, and I would love to see you in my next video. So stay tuned, click on the subscribe button, share with your friends, because trust me, you are in to learn simple ways to get things done, and I'm sure you want to learn that. So, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love to see you again in my next video. Until then, do have yourself a wonderful life.